Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye-bye.
I greet you all, my people. I'm not staying long. It's just a 30 minutes broadcast concerning the issue going on in Edo land about the demolition of properties owned by some Edo State indigenes. So please help me to share, because it might help you, it might help your family, it might help your brothers, it might help your sisters, it might help your uncle, it might help your aunties. Even you that lives in diaspora, it might also help you if you know you have property or you have buildings, you have things in Edo State. Baba Edobo, I greet you. I tell you. Go Baba. Udobo. Emobo amebo. Hope everyone is fine. Please help me to share. Because I posted something on my wall. I posted something on my wall this evening, so I don't think a lot of people got it. Maybe some do, but they didn't read it. But if you didn't read it, please go and read it, so that you should know where you stand in Edo State, in case your property, if they destroyed it, or the government, because they are about to destroy a lot of property in Edo land, a lot of properties in Edo land. A lot of investment in Edo land will be going down. So today they just written a letter for the public notice. You know, sometimes social media is good. Social media is really good, because I came out last night. I asked them, say good evening, my beautiful sister, I greet. I asked them if there is any written letter for the public notice. Make I go pidgin, my people, because make we just dey talk am. Baba Newman, go Baba Domo, Odobo, Emobo Amebo. Hope they are fine. So, last night video that I did was kind of a questioning to the government. Is there any public letter written for anybody to know what is going on in Benin? Baba Lucky, I greet. Good evening. I asked them, is there any letter in any local government? Shukurandi, good evening, my brother. Please take note, especially those jumping from one platform to another, going for saga. They all should go and read what is going on in Edo, what is about to happen now. They should go and read. They should go and read. The public notice now is for everybody, because last night, I for once, I asked, is there any written letter for the public to really know what is going on in Edo land? What will happen in Edo land? But thank God, to God be the glory. They've written a letter now. It's for the public now to know. For everybody in Edo State to know. That they're doing that now, the government doing that now, is like giving public awareness. Baba Michael, I greet. Rita Bella, good evening, my beautiful sister. I greet you. So since they don't write public letter now, because me asked them yesterday, you know, if you carry property begin to destroy without public notice. Nobody know the reason of them destroying the properties. Nobody know what they go on, why they go destroy those property. But as we asked yesterday, social media good, my people. Not be only for saga. Sometimes there are things you need to learn. And the Gobi said the government then to the year. And the next day then go try to rephrase them. So kudos to them for them to let the public know now, say, they want to demolish a lot of properties for Edo land. Not be only inside Benin, for the whole of Edo State. It's on my wall. It's on my wall. Please go and read. It's on my wall. It's on Presenter Analyzer page, and it's also on my normal Facebook wall. Go and read it, please. It's very, very important. Go and read, because the whole of Edo State, they are going to be demolishing, destroy. They want demolish houses for Edo. They want demolish houses for Edo. No, they didn't write months. Yeah, 22. Today is 22, my beautiful sister. You should know. It's possible it was written today now, because today is when the letter came out. So it's probably they just wrote it today and posted for the public awareness, because sometimes they know that some of us on social media, we are not daft. We are not mumu. We don't use brain now grant. Because some of us for this, even diaspora, we know it's 22. Yes, today is also 22. Because that letter was not there ever since a few days ago. They not get her. Now, there are people where I go. Behold, this morning, I was on that lady war. This afternoon, I was on a war. Good evening, my beautiful sister Stella. I was on a war. Behold, just few minutes, I went back again to go and read comments. And I saw them post the letter. So she now posts the letter. So meaning it was today they wrote that letter. Today they wrote that letter. Maybe they forgot to add today to it, but they wrote that letter today. Because since morning I've been parading on this my sister war. But there was nothing like that. I was surprised. So immediately I saw it. I quickly screenshot it and then I push it out also to my own, so that for Edo people to now know what is going on, that a lot of houses, a lot of buildings in Edo State will be demolished. Will be demolished. Tomorrow now you go surprise. A lot of shopping malls, then go destroy them. A lot of hotels, then go bring them down. Even normal house where they create store put for outside. You know, some people get house, then go get store for the front. Yes, my sister, there should be more, but they didn't do it. They know. So, but to God be the glory, since they are now bringing it for public awareness, we should help them to campaign to every Edo State indigene. Everybody need to know where they stand. Not you now. One person will now be running after saga here and there. At the end of the day, your property will be demolished without you knowing what is going on. It is better we all pick sense now. Whatever any foundation that you are doing, if it doesn't have good approval, please stop jejely. Because that hotel, they said they demolished. They said they gave the person a notice twice. That they gave that person. It's politics of bitterness, my dear sister Rita. It's politics of bitterness, is what I see. It's politics of bitterness. It's politics. They want to just finish. You will see now, a lot of Edo rich men, they go come become poor man. A lot of Edo rich men go come become poor man because of this demolition of a thing. Okuo level now, Okuo. Okuo now won't enter Edo land. I they tell you now. Okuo level. Okuo demolition of property. Now he enter Edo land now. Demolition of property. Because they don't mark a lot of houses down. Like that hotel when they destroy on Saturday. They said they tell the owner for January. Town planning and housing. They tell the man for January. Make it not do. But that's still good evening. Gerard excellent. Forget that, this governor, not the yet forbidden thing, now your own you they talk. Now your own you they talk. You see all those hamburger bread where we they eat sleep here. Gather money, one go do investment for Edo land. Make una all una money jejely now. All your money now jejely because Okuo demolition level. Demolition of property is in town. They don't write public letter come out now. For everybody to know now. Say, the whole of Edo State. Make a fair read the letter because I never share. I bet Mona help me share because this is not time for saga. Those doing saga, they all should be telling their people now to listen now. If you know say you build house, maybe kiosk, small kiosk, you go put that for front of your outside. You go put store. And that thing not there your plan. It not there for waiting. Then go demolish am. Then go demolish am. That's why some of us come out now, make we let our people know what they go on. Then go demolish am. So if you think say you get property for Nigeria and you know say you not get the proper planning, may you forget to Okwe demolition wa laro. It don't enter Edo land. Okwe demolition of property don't enter Edo land. I beg Mona help me share. I'm trying to share my video, but I need to read first for people to understand where I'm coming from. Because some people don't know what is really going on. Because sometimes when you pay something, some people don't know. Okay, please listen very carefully. The Edo State government hereby inform the general public and property developer in particular that government is intensifying the removal of shopping malls, hotels, and other commercial buildings erected without appropriate approval from the relevant regulatory authority. Una dey hear my people. The exercise is aimed at ensuring order and sanitizing the built environment space in line with the extant law and guidelines in the state for the benefit of the generality of Edo people. In essence, all buildings and structures plan being developed or completed in different parts of the state without approval are to be discontinued or removed. The same apply to such structure being embarked on in unapproved location across the state. So my Edo people, we are trying to let you people know. They don't enter one chance. Papa Soup, I greet you, sir. I greet you. Edo people don't enter one chance. One chance. You see, when you go build house, you get small kiosks for outside. Your own are one chance. Or you can't go build house, you can't get store. You can't get this one. You can't make a say na for store. Room this one store to let. This one to let. It can't be like say na where I go call a forestry. You can't do. Oh, I have you walking a la bishivedo. Oh. Now, the 22 of 2001, the right time, they say sign Osarodion Ogie, Esquire, Secretary to the state government. It's June, oh, there is June. There is June, oh, it's today. My dear sister, go and read. He said, after Secretary to the state government, he said June 22. 2001, 2021. Sorry about that. Arizona good. Yeah, they forgot, but it's what they want. And we can help them to clap for it. We can help them to clap for it because this is what they want. So any building now that is not in approval is going down. It's going down. You that is eating bread, using your children's money, saving it and everything. All those buildings, if you know you don't have the right approval, they are going down. They are going down, oh. Yes, you know, for that hotel, they said they went to the man. The town planning went to the man. They wrote them January 5th this year that they should stop the building. So the man didn't listen. He went on. And then May 31st, that was last month, they wrote to the man again that he should stop. The man didn't listen. So he continued. So it was like kind of 3 times they warned him. But he not stop. He continued. Now they go destroy him. Una dey hear now. So you wait, go buy land now, can't go build a hotel for one place now, can't think say, now so. No. It be like say, what did the governor want do be say, if this side in our house, all go be house true. No can't go build a hotel in the middle of warehouse, house full. Oh. If you go build a hotel in the middle of house, or Ogworeyawa. Peter Fred, good evening. He go destroy them. So for the whole of Edo land now, a lot of property will be brought down. A lot of property. This will not be Togba opposition. No. Now everybody this fire one born. Everybody for Edo land, for Edo state. So long they don't write letter come out today now. To let every Edo state EDG know now. If you know you are building property now and you know that it doesn't have approval, please stop. Stop, because I feel for a lot of people, especially those 2 buildings they demolished yesterday and the one they did on Saturday. It is painful. When it can't be say one bag of cement 4,000 naira. Now one person you can't use gather money finish all sweat and labor. Then the next thing a caterpillar go sink and down. Caterpillar go sink and down within 1 day. Everything don't finish. Go look the hotel now. Go look the hotel now. So, my people, Edo people, a lot of building will be going down. Yes, money gone on waste. A lot of building will be going down in Edo land. A lot of building in Edo state. Not be only Benin City. Who got here make it here now? Just suffering if you there abroad now. This one not be Togba. I belong to Togba. Mr. Victor Irile. I think they said Mojo Filling Station also. The owner of Mojo Filling Station. Baba Iwana agreed. The owner of Mojo Filling Station. Now Togba it belong to. Now Togba. So they don't write letter come out today now. Because yesterday me I ask. Where they write the letter put for public notice before they start to destroy property. So to God be the glory now. Today now, the secretary, Barrister Sadio Oge, don't write letter come out today. Can't tell Edo people now say they want start to demolish any property where you not follow for line. Asaka Kometa, I see you. Good evening. Now you see, huh? You see when we they talk. You don't bring letter come out, oh. Agreed. Agreed, oh. Letter don't they? I see Joseph, my brother. I agreed. I beg anybody that is trying to develop property now, please hold on, because you don't know if your property will be destroyed. You don't know if your investment will be destroyed. Please save yourself from the headache, from the problem, from the pain. Don't. Especially those that live in diaspora. Now that one, now them me and they talk to now. This one not be I belong to Togba. You wait there abroad. If you say I belong to Togba and you not get the right, approval, you not get the right paper. You go there use stronger say yes, I support governor from Obodo Ibo. Obodo Ibo not did this one. Obodo Ibo not did this one. If they can destroy Mojo Filling Station hotel, no other person where they no go fit. The man at Togba. You wait there abroad, no go come pass a Togberian that is on grant in Benin, and his property, his hotel, being demolished. I beg my Edo people, on our way they go convert 2 bedroom to how many? I don't know how to call them. Okwe demolition or Larone. The war of demolition. The war of demolition is coming. They are going to destroy every part of illegal structure in Edo land. They said they won't need a proper planning now. See, if you want to make it a kind of, let me say, you want to make a structure, Mr. Governor Godwin Obaseki, sir. If you want to make a structure, bring a plan out that, okay, this area, this is the kind of houses we want in this area. This is the kind of buildings we want in this area. Like kind of form of estate. If that is what you are trying to do here, it's no problem. But not the one that somebody finished building property, investment, things that will lift the people up. Things that will bring food for Edo people to eat. At the end of the day, those things will be destroyed. Just like that. Illegal structure ya TIO. No go village, oh. No go village, both the village. You know, yes, say Edo State. The whole of Edo State, both village. Both village, oh, the whole of Edo State, and I they talk. The whole of Edo State. Who know whether now all those villages where it be say a lot of community now don't develop, don't open high, then go start with. Nobody know. Nobody know. So Okwe demolition don't enter Edo land. Demolition of property, demolition of investment, it don't enter Edo land. All those doing saga running here and there, go and check if you have problem now with your building, oh. Go check, oh. Not be tomorrow now, una come they crack on social media, they don't destroy my house. They don't write letter come now. Letter don't they? He don't set, he set bang bang for everybody. He set the gbege go shele for everywhere. A lot of Edo people then go hear am out. This one not be Togba. I belong to Togba. I not belong to Togba. But this one a fire way be say he go burn a lot of Edo State indigene. The fire go he go met a lot of Edo State indigene. Because me I never see this kind of thing now. Huh? Who know whether they don't destroy some today now? Who know whether they don't destroy some today now? We never even come out for Edo people to know. Please go and read. There's the issue. This is. Make I go check. Edo people, we need to. There's that letter. It's good as a red letter. It's no problem. But Mr. Governor, sir, I think it should be. It will be better if it is on the public notice, like news. Like news. It should be on the news. It's not even on the governor website. Oh. This letter is not on his website. They should make it publicly for every Edo State indigene to know. For everybody to know that Okwe demolition are liable. Demolition of property. You not go ever see all this kind of thing for Abatobaze war. No way. You not go ever see all this kind of thing for Abatobaze war. It is not in their war, all this letter. For them to at least notify their Togberian people. For them to notify the Togberians. It is not on their war. This one, both you way support governor. Both me way not support governor. Now the same fire. Now all of us want enter so. You way you support governor with your own money. Because Mr. Vito, Igile, Mojo filling station, I don't know. The man supports governor with his own money, with his own sweat. He campaign. He sing 4+4. But his hotel was destroyed on Saturday. Yesterday, oh now, nobody know who got that shopping mall where they destroy. So at the end of the day, this one not be say you support governor, you not support governor. This one are for every Edo State sons and daughters. If you know say you get property, you get investment for Edo land, make the normal inquiry, go call them, go contact them, go ask them. Go carry your paper now, make you begin to look your file. May you begin to look your file. This one not be say, and because I not support governor, I'm not sure say it be like that now. This one now, they don't write and come out now say, now for everybody. Now for everybody. From Benin, go reach Yokoriomo. Go reach Ovia. Go reach Auchi. Go reach Sabokida Ora. Go reach Ekboma. Go reach Uromi. Now everywhere they want go. He dropped millions for the election. Now who not go drop millions for the election? At the end of the day, what it can happen? What it can happen? They say they won her 3 times. Okay, you want somebody 3 times. At least we did this diaspora. If government say this thing, it not follow the line, it not there with the approval or the structure when they want, then they go seal off that place. Why they not seal the place off? Why they not seal them off? The town planning, whatever they call themselves. Why did they not seal that property off? They're supposed to see. I be not be sure that they do it here. Then go seal the property off. Say no going zone. Nobody should go there. They not seal them off. They let the man build and finish. Last month they said they give him another warning after he don't build and finish. Your village, this city, no worry. You know whether the next one are your village is so. Oh no. They don't mark the places. They're supposed to seal the place off. Once you know, say, this thing an illegal structure, you know, comply with you people, what you are doing or with the approval. You go and seal the place off. You seal it off. If the place get, put your own padlock the place and lock it off. And lock it off. Una no carry police go there, make una go arrest the workers. May it can't be say the person where get the place. He can't they use money till they bail the workers out. Say okay, now one he say no go there again. Government say make you not build that building again. Una not do one. No be person go do the CFO for her. I be not be person they do the survey, do everything for her before the man go build the something. So una see and I say it can't be say for Edo State now. You not go just carry come out and say, I buy land. Okay, this land when I just buy now. This my 100 by 100. Make I just carry them now. Oh yeah. I begin to build hotel. Like we they do before. Now so now my people. But this one, they say they don't want them like that again. They don't want them like that again. This one not be said because I support governor now, he not go touch my property. He go touch and so make you not come tomorrow. Come they cry, say, hey, I support governor, he go destroy my property. Oh. This one not be like that. Oh. They don't tell all of una. A governor might not support or might not support. Make una the year now. He don't know who support him. He don't know who not support him. He no care. He want just destroy the one way he say, he not follow line with him. At least Saturday oh na 4+4. Now 4+4. About that public letter where Barrister Oge write, it's supposed to be on your wall. You have a lot of followers. You're supposed to put that letter on your wall. But now when you want to come make trouble, you want to come make problem. Now all those things there for the CU. Rosula Foundation, Umaza Obama Giewe, a governor where Martin. With the video and they follow everywhere tomorrow. They go now. Who I ran ya gbo man give support the governor nya who agbe. This public letter supposed to be in all these Obaseki supporters social media people. It's supposed to be on their wall. so that their fans will go there and read. For them to know and be aware of what is going on. But they are not doing it like that. They are not doing it like that. Abba saying get 300 and something thousand followers. Fine, is no problem. But that your word, since you are the PRO to Governor Godwin Obaseki. You sabi go look for trouble. That letter supposed to be on your wall too. You're supposed to notify the public, especially those who are doing CFO, who bought properties from you. Zona, what the person go come do? They don't care. The truth, they don't really care. They don't care. They don't care. Now only their stomach. If it be say person can't buy land now or buy property from Albert's hands now, the person don't go they do your own thing. Tomorrow now they can't demolish her. Instead of them now to post that letter on their word that this is what the governor is saying. Even the demolition video, you not see her for their war. You know they their war. You know they their war. They not put her for their war. The four of them are not seeing for their war. You know they about war. You know they comrade show war. Even the letter, you know they their war. Why are they like this? Why are they covering up? This is not how to help a governor. If you want the government to succeed, let him succeed. Because yesterday I asked for explanation. I wanted to know what is really going on. Why the demolition? This afternoon, my beloved sister, she wrote it on her word that, oh, the man neglected the warning. When they gave him warning 5 January, they warned him again on the 31st of May. He didn't. Now, after election, they warn her. When election day, when they campaign, they spend money for Togba, una not warn the man. Because I'm not sure say that building, a building of under 5 months or 6 months. Now the man they build the hotel where una go demolish so. No, they're not the hear that one. Now to go insult who they're not supposed to insult. Go they create unnecessary saga. If tomorrow now, God forbid now say they go destroy their family house now, or anybody way near them, you will consider or call the power for social media. For them now to read and get wisdom, they will not. They will not read and get wisdom and get knowledge now of what is about to happen in Edo land. They will never get the wisdom. Governor Zulum, the other day I was saying 529. His project is 556. Under 2 years, the man don't build schools. Primary school where he built, it be like university. The man don't do a lot of things. 556. The only thing that those states will start counting now as their project is demolition of property. Is demolition of property. We should start cutting it right from the time of Chief Bobby Zwao. Because a lot of people, they forget Chief Bobby Zwao. A property worth almost 1 billion naira. Now what the person they forget be that? Not be money. And a lot of market women, they donate put for that place. May they take build store, take rent store. Because I know a lot of people those days for Benin. If somebody say, in one build store, some people go say, okay, I go rent this store. Then go pay ahead. Some people pay 2 years money down. When that building don't complete, then go there. They not go pay you for 2 years. Because now money where you are join money, take build the property. Okay, as Chief Bobby Zwao can't be like that day now. When a lot of people come, they come and say, they pay 2 years down. They pay 3 years down. Some say they pay 500,000. Some say they pay 300,000. Who can compensate them? Who compensate them? Baba, Nagi say I agree to Baba. Who compensate them? Is that not a loss? Now that one we go there to demolish property. Look at the market where it born around those states. Till today, they never fit build anyone. Then you can't go hard another one can't join up. Don't funny. Don't finish. Oh, Tonok baby, do here very soon. And they tell you now, oh, Tonok baby, from Benin speaking indigenous, then go they cry for inside Edo South. East then go they cry for Edo Central. Afema Koko Edo Awuchi Igara name them all of them go they cry for their side. Thank you, Baba. Governor Zulu could have, yes, he can hide under terrorism, say that they terrorize and I'm making no work, now I'm making no work, but the man still have 556 projects under his mark, on his name, his logo, 556. Who don't do that one for this Nigeria? Even President Buhari have not done it. What Governor Zulu of Borno State have done, President Buhari have not even done it. Where Boko Haram, they wear bomb day and night, they fight. The man, they run for his dear life. Sometimes they go one killer. But yet, he no stop him. He no stop him for putting his own legacy for that Borno State. My bright and great. They not stop him. And now, the only project we can boast of is demolition of Gelegele and demolition of property. A Gelegele wa mioya. A rice farm wa mioya. A soben enemy wa mioya. Na ye 3 billion yahu. Did you people see it? We didn't see all those things. The only things we are witnessing in Edo State is demolition of property now. It's demolition of property. Now it looks like in Edo land is going to be who is next. Whose property is next? That is what we are going to be talking now. I've been a Lagos State governor, we want to talk. It's true. It's heartless. It's heartless. No, ma, I greet. Roseline, I greet you, my sister. They don't write letter come out today now. Edo people, I be thank cry enough for una. They don't write letter come out now say every illegal structure, every illegal building, every whether na shopping mall you build, na hotel you build, you sing talk bow, you sing 4+4, you carry your 4 finger left, right, go up, go sing am 4+4 talk bow for them. They not care. Whoever that have building way be say he not comply with wetin they want, that building then go sick and down. $556 projects in 741 days. Can you imagine? 556 projects. I beg. Governor Obaseki Mouth Crier, PRO Abatobaze, make una bring the list of our governor this thing. The only thing where me I see, he paint Ogbe Stadium. He paint a building when Ogbemudia don't first build. Secretariat. He paint them. Which other thing, which other project? Because not be all those roadway be say that the time they go, rain they wash and they go. Una call count as projects. No. My dear sister Rita, that one they fear me. True. The thing they fear me because his brothers get property for them. That is the stupidity now for them now to start talking now. His brothers get property for them. This will not be I support governor owner and not support now. Now everybody for Edo land go put hand for head, go begin to cry. Now it be waiting what happen so. It's true, Baba. A lot of them don't understand the meaning of governance. A lot of them don't understand the meaning of governor. You will see governor go take injection. They are clapping for him, putting love alike. As if saying a new thing. My babies know they take injection. Small pikin know they take injection. COVID-19. They are clapping. Edo people will not form a hand, though. Believe me. A lot of Edo people, they don't even think about their left or their right. They don't even know. They don't know the difference. The one way just dey Africa, me no blame those ones wey dey Nigeria. But you now see the one way be say, they don't enter abroad. They come see the form mugu. Meanwhile, una go dey shout if una dey Aduro camp, especially those wey dey Italy. Una go dey shout say na so Italian government they give una so food every day. But una not dey see that kind of food eat for una where una dey come. Tomorrow una see put hand for up 4 + 4, 4 + 4. Your papa has now, if he dey among the ones where they want demolish, you don't know. You don't know. Maybe the house where you inherit now, he go there among the ones where they want demolish. You don't know. Edo people, I pity una. To God who made me, I pity una. I pity una. Plus the market where it don't burn full everywhere for the whole of Edo land. Now I person will come say, in one carry caterpillar go the bulldozer everywhere they go. All structure, in go level all of them. Without thinking of otherwise. What of if that hotel where that man built? You tell him now to go and reverse those hotels. Reverse it to a normal house. It can be done. There is nothing that cannot be done. There is nothing that cannot be done. Even if you construct it to a normal house or not a hotel. It can also be reversed. At least we African, we get a lot of children. Grandchildren, if the man want, maybe he want do party or he want do family hosting for all the children, then go see place sleep. Provided it's not collecting money there, it can be done. You can tax the man twice of the money. That thing he go to pay me. He go to pay me. He go to pay me. All those way they social media they do saga. Unless you not get brother way get property for house. Or you not get sister way get property for house. If you know you have family in Nigeria and you know that they have property in Nigeria, why me I no even care. I no care. Me no care. Because me wa weri a me da kina me na wa bine. They are going to be destroying buildings, so those ones where we just they see, so where we they cry. More are coming. Edo people, more buildings are coming. They want to demolish a lot of building for Edo land. Go reach Esan land. Go reach Afema land. Now everywhere they talk. Now everywhere they talk, oh. No can say because you support 4 + 4, you go come cry tomorrow. They're not there for that one. Oh. The governor no 1 year 4 + 4 for again for a year. Because he not send you. If your building not there waiting in the fine, he go demolish them. We were with the opposition side. We don't already they drink paracetamol for our pain. We don't already they drink paracetamol for our pain. So we don't care anymore. It's painful. It's painful. How can somebody be buying a bag of cement for 4,000 naira every day? Maybe calculate, maybe 100 bags of cement, 200 bags of cement. At the end of the day, not be the road, not be the water, not be the time, not be the gravel. Name it all. After person don't spend millions, they do something. Under one day, go just come, carry caterpillar, whoa, sink and down. Our own, we hear say they get 700 million for security votes. And there is no security. There is no security in Edo land. There is no security. If you are going to Nigeria, especially Edo State, you are on your own. You are on your own. You are on your own. Even the people where be say you go, even say may you go rent now, may they can't guard you. You don't know. You don't know how they be. You are on your own. You are on your own. You know, sometimes if person they go Nigeria or you they go Africa country, now may it just be like may you they swear your last prayer because you don't know. You don't know what will happen. You don't know what will happen. Anything can happen. Wow. It's true. We don't know. The president has not come out to tell the whole world that anybody found wanting, don't arrest them. We don't know. We've not heard it. We've not heard it. It is left for each governor in his or her own state to secure the land. A governor of Edo State, you have to secure Edo people because that is what they gave you the vote for. You sworn on it to them that you are going to secure them. You are going to secure their life. You are going to secure their property. So after you enter there, at the end of the month, you collect your security money. What is the president paying you the security money for? Is it not for you to secure the life of the people? Why are the life of those people not being secure? It's true, my dear sister. Just stay where you are. Stay where you are. Because going to Nigeria now with strong heads these days. With strong head, with strong mind. Prayer go, your mouth to speak go dry for your mouth. Where you will take a pray. If na flat you went out, na problem. If na ground you follow, na problem. From Benin to Lagos, your mouth you go, speech go dry. Speech go dry when you will take a pray. God, I reject accident, I reject kidnapper, I reject this, I be not be so, my people. But if you there Europe here, you wait there Europe here. Tomorrow now you will tell somebody say and they go France tomorrow. You know they pray as you they pray if you they go Africa. The way when you take they pray 247 if you they go Africa. You know they pray like that if you they go America. There is no body. The kind fasting and prayer where you go they hold 247. If you they travel, they go anywhere for Europe. You no go fit. You no go pray that kind of thing. The way where you will take the pray if you they go Nigeria. Or you dey inside Nigeria. The way where you will take the pray for anything. Because you don't know. They give you security vote. Now for you to use that money, secure the land. Secure the land. Anything, any remnant where they the land, where not belong to the land, you remove them there. You remove them there. Who want to do business should come in a genuine way and do business. But not be the one where person you go to stay inside bush. You can't tell you say na business. That one not be business. Baba, where they want see where you go pay? Where they want see after he turn on, he go Lagos. You are where for? He go Lagos, go where for? If you not even go Lagos, if you just go sit down for America or for one Caribbean island, if you just go Barbados, go sit down. If you go one island, go sit down. If you even go to Dubai, go sit down, but where forever. You go from there, they come the Giasen Kweviedo. Now, waiting Edo people want be this. And I will clap for them. Because this is what they want. Here we talk about Ogbane. Ogbane for demolition. Ogbane for no project. How can somebody, even Governor Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State, go see the bus stop where he built? If you dey look their project, you go even they say, na abroad be this. But don't be abroad. This now waiting Edo people. Edo get bus stop. Una get bus. Edo not be Lagos people. Edo not be Lagos people. Una get bus. Not to talk of a bus station. We am a bus here, I'm away bus station. Una get bus. Edo not be Lagos people. I dey ask. I don't know the Lagos. 5 years for. I don't know the Lagos. 5 years for. I don't know the Lagos. 5 years for. I don't know the Lagos. Why am a bus station now? Go see waiting Sanwo-Olu under 2 years now. They transform Lagos to. You go to see Lagos. You will say maybe in London you dey or na Europe you dey. Europe Moses have London I have Tony. But these are people who are trying. And then Edo people came with their wicked mind, with their wicked soul. They started singing, Edo not be Lagos. Edo not be Lagos. Common bus you people don't have. Not to even talk of the bus station. Go and look. Go to Governor Sanwo-Olu platform. Go and look at his page. You will be surprised. You will be dumbfounded with things you will find there. But we don't have them in Edo land. The only thing we have is that our governor is signing paper upon paper. He is signing paper upon paper. Project upon project. Those projects are only on Facebook. It's not on ground to see. What do you not see for grants? Governor Zulu, where Boko Haram, they carry bomb, they kidnap, they do this, they do everything for Borno State. Under 2 years. The man get 5. See, before 4 years, that man go get reach 1,000 projects for your name. For your name. Oh, before election, free bus every day. Now that one it take a joke now. Where the Agbada Abiyama Imu Agbada Yere no ya fie kanuwa. Where the akara wo una go dey eat the free akara. No more free akara again. Edo people, no free akara, no free bus. Abat no go do conductor again, oh. Upper, come enter free bus. Upper, come enter free bus. I pity Edo people. I pity Edo. I don't even pity the ones where they house, He pay me for them because they don't know where. But now the ones where just did this abroad. The ones where just did this abroad, when they know, person where you know if you go automat, go buy tickets, go buy train tickets, or even metro tickets, can they control una, can they command una, some can they connect, they are diaspora connect. It's a shameful thing. Person where they inside Benin, can they control you where they Italy, where they Canada, where they America. I'm sorry for Edo people. I'm sorry for Edo people, a lot of Edo people. I'm ashamed of some of you. I'm ashamed of some of you. Somebody that is living with generator 247, only generator before he can even watch news or he can even hear anything from diaspora, was the one not connecting you people. Now there I know say, hey, I don't know. No good road, no street lights. Okay, the time where election day when they campaign, was Albert not a conductor? What stop Albert from being the conductor now to those buses now? Giving Edo people free ride now. Huh? Those are the things. Those are the things. Una see that the way French president collect slap. Una sure say that person wey give her the slap. Now because of what he promised, maybe he not do one. Now only na gwabi you out. And he said it was not intention. A famous J finish, and that famous na 2 months. Afo, but 2 billion buy. That's what we call promise on heaven and earth. At the end of the day, nothing to show for it. Nothing to show for it. War zone, Borno State war zone. 556 projects on his name, Governor Zulu. Are we going to talk about Lagos? Go and see what Sanwo-Olu is doing. He's building railway. Railway. Which one I don't get? Common road do not get. Are we going to now talk of railway? Even of our bridge, why me? Why of our bridge? Una not even get street light. The street light where Oshomole put, the street light don't have. What do you people have? I don't know, be Lagos. Now those people where sent me and they go they look now. Not be a door on again. Once the demolition starts, I go they happen and they post am for my page. And I go they happen and they clap. Anybody where get that music, talk ba 4+4 talk ba. No one send that call for me. Make her they help them they play her. Talk ba. Oh wagele ba. Governor Obaseki talk wagba o. He must complete. 4+4 must complete. He must complete. Not be waiting at those people want. Now what did they want now? So I go say, oh, they pain because of election. No, it's not pain because of election. Now, when you never play politics, but in the recent, if you really want changes, governor don't stay 4 years. There is nothing. He not perform. He not give you one structure for ground. Say this now waiting in do. This now somebody like Governor Zulu now where they spend 2 years now. You sure say he go come and say he want go president or he want come out for governor second time. That the Borno people they not go instantly. He not go even get opposition. 556 projects. One make una call Edo people. Albert, I beg, use your platform to bring out Governor Obaseki project. We want to see. Comrade Show, use your platform to bring out Governor Godwin Obaseki project. We want to see. Apostle Alfred, I'm calling you people out. Use your platform to bring out Governor Godwin Obaseki project. Edo people want to see and know. Edo Connector, Mr. Connector, Osakweno Hodi, use your platform to bring Governor Godwin Obaseki project out. Edo people want to see. Sarah Igumba, use your platform to bring Governor Godwin Obaseki project. Edo people want to see. We are calling you people out now. We want to see so that we can praise him also. I cannot be living from Edo State and I will be praising a Borno State governor. It's not done. Or I will be praising Governor Sanwo-Olu of Lagos. I don't know be Lagos. It's not done. I want to praise my own governor. You people should bring out his own project. Paste his own project on your wall. Let the whole world see. Let the whole world see. Governor Zulum is just 2 years. He has 556 projects. Wayage Public School. Go and look at the public school that they built. You will be thinking it's a university. We want to see our governor project. Into uniform. Okay. Agbero into uniform. It good. It good, oh. Anything they see in Edo land, we clap for them. Believe me, we clap for them. Me no care. But I'm just here now to tell a lot of Edo people, both home and diaspora, if you know your house gets stuff for outside, you get for backyard, you get for side, you get for everywhere. It can be demolished. Oh, then go demolish them. Oh, if it be saying you can't get house now, you can't go get a fish pond here, this pond here, this one here. Then you go come tell them whether on a farm you use and carry or on a house you use and build. They can also demolish it. So for you people not to know. For you people now to know, both the 4+4 Tongba, if you know you have investment in Nigeria, in Edo State particular, Edo State, go and consult with them now for you to be on the safer side. Stop pumping money now. Because you want to do business, stop pumping money. Oh. Because if we can ask you tomorrow now whether that place, now farm you want use and do, or be in a house you want use and do. If it be say you go build the house now, I don't know, but I just they talk my own now. If it be say you build house here, you can't go get poultry farm, goat farm there, fish farm here, this one there. I don't know whether now for all those people too, they still come from. Oh. So if you know you fall for all this category, make you hold on with your money. Oh. Hold on with your money. Oh. Whether not the one where you take carry your goat and your chicken and your everything, carry and go market to make you go sell. No, I cook my money there. I don't know. Because they don't specify and say they want demolish illegal. My brother John Kennedy agreed. Huh? It can't be say after they don't demolish two things finish now. I saw my brother, I know. They don't demolish a lot of things finish now. Now today now, they come, they carry letter, they come out. They let those people know now say demolition will continue. Demolition will continue. It good. It good though. I greet you. I'm my Peking. Demolition will continue. This one are for everybody. The fire go burn everybody. It go burn everybody. It go burn the whole Edo State indigene. I say make I can't tell you now. If you know say you get any business, when you know say you they do this one here, you build this store here, you build that one. Make una hold on, oh. Make una hold on. If you know say you don't lay foundation, hold your money, oh, so that you will not have the story that touches the heart. So all those people now doing saga on social media, go and look back in Benin and ask them. If you meet up with the requirement, oh, why we can't cry amadoka muwa? E tan cry ame do ta muwa ne? I don't come and can't tell you now. Now today they carry letter come out after they don't demolish building on Saturday. They don't demolish building today. Now when we come the house say where the letter day, where the paper day, when the rights go give each local government area said now so they want to destroy. More could go look my video of yesterday. Today now they come the right letter they come out publicly. Now Barrister Osajon Oge right and come out. Baba, God bless you. Thank you. At least for still taking time to bring and come and make Edo people know. Make we not come they cry too much. Make we not come they cry too much. Make some of us not come go get that attack. If we see another building where they want demolished tomorrow. So una don't already tell us now. Now that cry I can't be for them. Oh. How about don't leave the job for me? Obaseki PRO don't leave the job. The conductor, political legbuke don't leave the job. Now one problem there you go see how bad. How bad they're supposed to now come and enlighten the people. Those people where you do CFO for your hand, where you buy property for your hand, make it begin to tell them now, waiting there and waiting all day. I'm about to make video. Now one problem there. Even the one where they invite governor, they come in platform. You know they see them for all those kind of things. Demolition is the only project in Edo land. That is just what Edo people have to know. Demolition of property is the only project in Edo state. And we should be happy Edo not be Lagos. At least all those markets where he born, they not build anyone. Those building now, Chief Bobizwa, that place, Otonok Bevino. Comrade Tony Kabaka Hotel, Otonok Bevino. At least all those na powerful structure. The ones where they destroy on Saturday, even them Deputy Governor Odubu and Iyomere where they destroy. Now powerful buildings. All those ones don't go down. All na project for Edo people. Now waiting Edo people want be that. Mr. Governor, continue, sir. 4 + 4, Towagba. By the time the 4 years end, Edo people will now count their winning, waiting them win and waiting them lose. Then go count them. If now waiting them win, I plenty pass. Okay. If now waiting them lose, I plenty pass. They should take their loss. They should take their loss. If somebody go build hotel for a place where he build house, you can tax the person ×2. Tax that person ×2. If the person didn't meet up with the payment, you can seal it off. Seal that place off and seize it from the person. There's no negotiation like that. Now, wow. Okay, how about they do saga? Okay. Okay, no problem. How about? Don't worry. My own and your own saga, it go come. Don't worry. Instead, make you enlighten your people now. Waiting the government they mean. Make you not come they say we were with the opposition side. We just they talk and not be so governor mean. Make you go explain her now because you are the PRO. Go explain. Go explain. Comrade show bring governor come out. Make you call let governor. Tell the whole world by himself. The reason why they demolish. The reason why they demolish. Why he not find another solution instead of demolition. Oh, come here. If somebody is go build hotel, you can't say no be hotel you want there. They don't want hotel. There no proper planning there. You fit seize the place. You fit seize them. Turn out to waiting you want turn out to. Let the governor come and tell Edo people his reasoning of want to demolish a lot of buildings in Edo land. By the end of the day, una go see say about 100 or 200 for the whole of Edo State. Don't go down. Property investment. Property, Edo people property, Edo people project, Edo people investment. They don't lavish. The thing they tire me. The thing they fear me. He need to explain to Edo people. They need to explain to the whole world. Not just this letter. Not this letter, because not be papa, mama, sabi read letter. Not this letter of 18. Let them explain to the whole world, to the whole of Edo people, both home and diaspora, their reason that they want to start demolishing people property, people investment. They need to let us know. May they explain us so that who go take a loss now, make it start to drink paracetamol. I beg you all, my people. I beg you all, my people. Doing a great good evening. I beg you all, my Edo people. Hold your money now. Hold your money. The truth has to be told. Hold your money now. Don't invest on anything because you don't know. You don't know. You are not sure. They wrote a letter today, but the governor need to come out and explain to the whole world, to Edo people. Let Edo people know where they stand. Let Edo people know, because so that some people will know, because somebody like me, I see it as politics of bitterness. They need to prove me wrong that it is not politics of bitterness. That they want to restructure Edo land. They want to restructure Edo land. Let them tell us. Let them tell us where they are driving to. Now, some may they see for abroad where we dey, where me do dey. If things no, if things no, then they draw them come out, make them come explain what in them mean. Then they draw them come out, make them come explain what in them mean to them. The government should explain to Edo people. They know the one way inherit Ogwedion before you go know whether the Ogwedion they want demolition. Make the governor explain. If it be say now the place where you go build and put now, they will come tell you say that place now, because now what they always they talk water on the flow there, this one on the flow there, and now only one building they go destroy there, the rest building they go leave on. Now that one me as Jews at say now politics of bitterness. The governor need to explain to Edo people. He need to explain, because they don't bring letter come out now. Meaning, not be one, not be two, not be three. The place, the house where they want demolish, if you reach 100. If you reach 100 for Edo land, let Edo people know your reasoning. Why? Who go build us for village now, go to say he's safe. But tomorrow now, now carry caterpillar and go there. We now go demolition. Now this one we want. Now demolition we want. Come on, even GRO, una no fit tire, una no fit put street lights. One street light is where a GRO in Akina that it is really special. If people go GRO, then go they take picture there, then go they snap there, like the water fountain where Adam Sali Oshomole put. It's not there like that for GRO. Iya ye yo we gbe bube gbe woro gbe nene yalawa. Now demolition will come there. We know no one particular project where it be say this project I just carry on, I must finish them. You know they like that. I don't people make a live una. Daytime don't go. I not fit una. I thank una because now waiting una side put. Now waiting una side put. Good evening, big sis. I greet. Now what you know sign put? Emi no one sign is here who one miena. Now what you know sign put? Talk ba. He go buy. He must buy for demolition. He must buy for demolition. Oh, but my prayer be say all this demolition where they go on. So may God give the Edo people, Edo State indigene, the heart where they go take bear their lost, because now big lost. Now billions it go be. Now billions. Now billions. You will build farm here. Come build potato farm here. Come build goat farm here. You build them for inside one compound. You feel ready, they wait for them. Oh. They feel come knock for your door. Tell you say, whether na goat farm you they carry there, or na house you build here. Make you wait for them. Oh. Okwe demolition live ona. Okwe demolition na enter Edo State. Now enter Edo State. Nobody is safe. The governor need to explain to Edo people, Mr. Governor, sir, please can you do the needful? Let Edo people know. Let them know. Let every one of us be aware of what you are going to do. We want to know because some of us don't they paranoid. The thing the first person. It's the first person. A letter in your Pama say that letter is not enough. It might be enough for the educated one, but what about the ones that didn't go to school? A lot of people have not seen that letter. Thank you to my brother Edwin. I greet. Those who are doing saga on social media, if any one of you come out and start crying that, hey, now so they go demolish my brother this thing. Now me and una, to God who made me. Now me and una. Instead of una now to focus now, make we all of us join hand for this social media. Ask governor why he want to demolish. Make them explain. Make them explain. Because they don't measure hotel put. They don't measure shopping mall put. So if you know say you build shopping mall, just carry those things now, all those provision. Just carry and go market where ya agbele. Ya agbele kwa. May you for carry your money because if they go break all those Bonvita, all those wine, no go ship container come. May you say, oh, now yesterday I just go store, I just go market, I just fill my shop with goods. Then they come sick and down today. Begin they pack all those things, come out now. They carry them, they go market. You go, they ring bell on top of them. May you they send them. Because nobody know who it turn be. Nobody know. If it be your turn, if it be my turn tomorrow, nobody know. But we all have to be on the safer side. We all have to be on the safer side. If una want come demolish, make una they give them notice. One more time, we are coming here to demolish. Give people notice that in a more time, we are coming to demolish. If na bed, they want pack. If na their air condition, they want pack. The one way get hotel. Make them pack and come out. So that they can sell them off. It can still be 500,000 for them. It is also good for them to have little than a maximum loss. My people, now lie talk for that one. If you want demolish person property, you fit tell us say a month time we are coming. So that make that person remove the valuable things there. If not the AC, if you go sell her for second-hand market. If not the mattress and everything, the bed, they fit go all sell her. They fit go sell her for people where you not get. They fit still carry some go orphanage job. Now, so me I see say that they do for abroad, though. They're not just they come carry the distressed person house without they not tell person the reason. Even tenants, people where they rent house for abroad here, if government want to destroy the house, the organization of those people houses, then they pay the tenant off. If now 50 tenants they that flat, then go give each of them 7,000 euro. Where they tell you convenience them. And then go first to tell you, say, any house where you feel fine, now you go be number one to get that house. Make una they tell people on time, oh, make you not come be say, a lot of Edo people go get heart attack, die. Is the reason I'm saying all these things. It's one of the reasons I'm saying all these things. Make a lot of Edo people not come get heart attack, die. Because some people fit go borrow money, go build shopping mall, go build hotel, go build house, build store, put for the places where they made them for the 6 months more money. May they not come go get heart attack. My adult people, I greet you all. Thank you all so much. This is just my message this evening. Please try and read. The paper is on my wall. They brought it out today, the letter. Read if you fall a victim so that you can stop and re-strategize. Re-strategize. If not bad, you go fit carry come out for there now. May you begin the carry and come out. If they don't mark your house, they don't mark them. Begin to remove things where you know say you go fit remove. May you forgo auction and they sell them. Even if na 100,000 you get, it better pass. Say you not get one single thing. Even those way they go build pure water company or they do pure water business for inside their compound. Make all of una, make everybody ready because we don't know who is who. We don't know who is next. I'm just saying my own. But I believe they should tell us the reason and those that fall into those categories. The people where fall from inside those categories when they want really destroy. Now so. I beg, go read, oh, go read. Go read, my dear sister. Go read, oh, go read. You must learn her. If you know Sabi, make Google translate her for you. Put her for Google. Google, if you read that, they tell you. Go, they listen. I beg. Thank you all so much. Please don't invest because let them finish what they are doing. Don't invest. Don't buy any property. Don't do any foundation. Don't invest. Don't invest. You might fall a victim. Thank you, Baba Nagise. I greet. Thank you all so much. Baba Newman, I greet. Good evening to you all. Thank you all so much. Please, we all should be safe. Keep your money. Keep your money in your pockets. Keep your money. Don't invest now. Don't invest. I beg you all. Please. Edo State is not safe for now. It's not safe for now. Please. Good night to you all. Thank you all so much.